Guys, I almost made a huge loss. In this video, I'm going to be giving you guys the full details and what saved me. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I almost ran at a loss. Guys, being an entrepreneur is so much. Being an entrepreneur is a whole lot. But honestly, with the right kind of staff, with the right planning, with the right support, we can do it. This is me encouraging us that we can do it. This video is going to be in two different parts. Now, the first part of this video is going to be me telling you guys a story that brought us to this second part. Now, the second part is going to be an unboxing of something that is saving me from this huge loss that I would have made in my business. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Story time, guys. If you've been following me for a while, or if you know me, you know that I have a business back in Nigeria called Desire 1709. Now, if you do not know, now you know. So I run a women's wear, ready to wear fashion brand based in Lagos, Nigeria, called Desire 1709 Fashion. We do everything functional, versatile, and stylish pieces from, contemporary and African fabric. And, I have been running that business since I moved back to England in 3 years ago now. Now, I understand that, things go out of hand a lot with entrepreneurs, a lot of things that we didn't plan. Especially last year that COVID happened, so many things just went out of hand. Now, to my story of making a huge loss. So our Christmas collection dropped, and the reception has been, oh my god, you guys, I'm going to put a link somewhere for you guys to see the collection. The reception has been so amazing, and we've had a lot of international publications talk about us and all of that. Fashion Bomb Daily, quite a number of Style Rave, all of them. Right, so I realized that we had a lot of influx from international customers and all of that, buying from us and everything. Now, they've been buying from the website, but I did not know, or the person who is in charge of e-commerce has always just eyeballed the weight of our dresses. Guys, the person will just put the weight that based on eyeballing that, okay, this dress can be more than 1 kilo, can be more than less than a kilo. So everything changes. Now, of course, a lot of people are buying from Nigeria and all of that. And then everything else changes when international customers get involved. Now, what happens is this. So we have DHL connected to our website, and once they buy from the website, the system automatically calculates what they need to pay for delivery for international shipping. But because my e-commerce person has always eyeballed the item, we found out that somebody bought 3 dresses, and each of the dress in real life, like physically, weighed about 1.5-2 kilos thereabout. But the e-commerce person has just put, oh, this dress is about 1 kilo. Now what happens is this: with DHL, as the weight increases, of course the money increases. So the person who bought the dress, right, bought the clothes, was charged just 7,600 naira or thereabout for 3 dresses. And after they took the order, he passed on the order to the people who are going to fulfill it, and the guys who are doing logistics and everything. They packaged it and then they took it to DHL office. Guys, now their problem can't happen. They took the package to DHL, and then the person who was supposed to take it off from them says, oh, blah blah blah, the fee is for 2,000 naira something. 42,000 for what? Something that they charge, that the system charged how much? You guys, when they told me, I called them and I said, what's the problem? The lady said that everything is about 3-point-something kg, and for 3-point-something kg to this USA address, it is 40-something thousand. Hey guys, I'm laughing now, guys, because I'm telling you guys the story. When this thing happened, all the nuts in my head, first of all, flew out. Like, if I even joking, how much profit are you making from the dress that you people are going to go and make a loss of 30-something thousand? I mean, 40-something thousand, 42,000 naira minus 7.6. How much is left? I told the Lord, I said, you people, everybody who is involved, first of all, you know that this money, you people are the ones that will bear it. It cannot be me, right? But just pray. Let the e-commerce person take it upon himself to email the lady and let her know that, oh, this is what we found, this is what we found, and this is what we found. Immediately they messaged her. The lady was like, oh my god, that she actually felt funny when the thing was charging her 7,600. She was like, this dress, how can they charge 7,600? Does this girl have aeroplane that comes to America? I said, I'm not having an aeroplane, yo. These people that want to put me inside the of BC. Long and short, guys, the lady agreed to, pay the difference. She was so kind. She was really, really kind. She paid the difference, and then we sorted it out, and that was it. Guys, but trust me, while we were trying to get that fixed, I was just like, wait, what exactly is going on here? So, being the typical me, I started saying, how did we get here? What can we do to salvage the situation? Because obviously, we're going to get a lot more international hits on the website. Which brings me to the second part of this video. And I decided that, you know what? I don't want eyeballing to continue to happen, right? Because as you are growing in your business, you want to think about the scaling process, because a lot of things are going to happen. If you're going to do more international orders, you know that you have to be sure of the weight, because you don't want to charge people less or charge them too much, such that when you charge them too little, you're the one paying the difference. When you charge them too much, they get upset, they don't want to come back. So I started asking myself, what exactly do we need to do to ensure that this doesn't happen again? Which is what brings me to the second part of this video. Now, so I said, you know what? I'm going to buy a scale, because this eyeballing or just imagining what it is by whatever your ancestor says in your ears, that is the weight of the dress is what you put there. I don't want that to continue to happen. So I went and bought an industrial scale. I'm going to open it and show you guys the one that I got, why I got it, and how this is going to work and how this is going to help us. And trust me, I know that going forward, this is going to prevent this situation that happened, such that my e-commerce person will have a look. They will measure all of the items. They will measure all the items and update the weight on the website. That way, we are not worrying that we're losing money. The customer is not worrying that they are being cheated or anything like that. Now, on to the second part of this video. Guys, this is the scale that I bought. It came in this packaging, and I'm basically just going to unbox it for you guys so we all see what is in there. And then apart from this item, I also bought something else that is also for my business. So like I said, this is a two-part video of me talking about the losses, story time, and also sharing with you my new business tools. Yes, my new business tools that I've just bought. So I also bought something, I can't even remember what it is. I'm going to share a few tips with you guys about buying things online, especially things that are for work or business or anything like that. One thing that I do a lot before I buy anything is to first of all go around, compare prices. Secondly, I read reviews. I read reviews because I'm not going to use myself to do guinea pig for anybody, right? And if other people have bought it before and they've already given their opinion, why don't you go and read it before you make a decision? Because sometimes, the stress of buying, returning, especially in this period where there is epileptic delivery, they deliver today, they deliver next week. No, I don't even bother. I will go and read reviews, see what everybody has said about it. People like me, because me too, I write reviews. I write reviews so that other people can make a better decision. So I'll go and read reviews. If the review is not good, I carry my shoe and run. If the review is good, I buy the thing with peace of mind, and then I take it home and go and use it. So that's one thing you want to do before you buy anything. Check out reviews. Ask people who have bought it before. If they bought and it's good, ask them for the address where they bought their own. I have a friend in this UK. I'm always asking her, Wumi, have you bought this before? How was it? Send me the link, because I'm not going to go and be using myself, because people spring up every day selling different things, and some of them may just even also, these sellers, they may also be at their own teething stage where they are testing out a product. So you want to use me and my money to be testing out products? I'm not going to allow that. So I will read reviews, I will compare prices, and then also I'll also look at platforms that I've also bought from before. Do you understand? For example, I buy a lot of things from Amazon and eBay, and I know how to check trusted sellers and all those kind of information. So you want to keep those tips on your left hand so you don't forget. So guys, I'm going to first of all unbox this one that is in a small packaging, and then I will unbox the really big one. I can't remember what this one is. Oh, so I bought this belt puncher. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is perfect for punching belt holes and all of that. So if you have a belt and it's too big, or you have shoes that, you know, the buckle hole is too far, you can use this. I used to have this back in Nigeria, but you know, I need this now. I bought a belt recently and it's been so difficult to wear, you know, so I decided to buy this. I bought this and it will also be used for me. Even the kids, my children's belts too around the house, they have some belts that are too long, so I can use this to put some holes. So I bought this, and this would also be used for Desire 1709 Global, so that when there are some dresses they're sending over soon, they have buttons and they have belts, but I told them not to bother about the holes, that when it gets here I'm going to put the holes myself. So I bought this belt hole puncher. This is like, so let's just say officially, this is my first business tool of the year. This is my first business tool of 2021. Right, so I put that aside and then onto the other item I bought. So guys, this is how it looks. I'm going to take out this. It has this rubber on it, and then it has all of this. Says if seal is broken, check content before accepting. So seal is not broken. So I want to have a look first. At least I'm the one that is breaking this seal, so I think we're good, hopefully. As compared to the normal smaller scale, this one I hear does a better job. So there's no story of, oh, they measured it at the store, is this weight, they took it to DHL says another weight. No, I don't want that, because that was the issue we had. So I'm basically just trying to prevent that situation from happening a second time. So I've popped out the sellotape on it, and then I'm just going to okay, wow. Ooh. So guys, that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like off the bat. It has these plastic things. I think these are like the stands. Took that off, and then okay, so that's how it looks. I think these ones, I'm just going to fix it. You screw it on here so that it has support, I guess. Okay, so I've screwed that on, and it says please open the cover and find the indicator. So I'm going to get a screwdriver now and open this up. I'll open that up and bring out the indicator. But before then, this is basically what this looks like. It looks so nice. I like that it has a wide surface and it's very, very flat. That way you are sure that whatever measurement you are getting is very correct. Not the one that you will take measurement now, the 1 minute the story will be different. So I'm going to quickly get a screwdriver and open up this spot and bring out the indicator to show you guys. So yeah, okay, so we got that. So guys, I finished opening it. Ooh. So that right there is that's how the control looks. I'm trying to see. Oh, I need batteries for this. And I think I also need some batteries here. But you know, and I like the fact that I can screw this to the wall somewhere, so there will be no moving about. Actually, where they are going to put this in our office space, there's a space for them to screw this on the wall, so nobody needs to be moving it about, and it makes it easy for you to see whatever you are looking at on the scale. And I think this is not a bad option at all. I'm going to confirm how much I paid for this, and I'm going to put a link down below, just in case you also want to purchase one for yourself or you need it for your business. But trust me, if you're doing any kind of international shipment, or if you're selling to anybody internationally and you have to use DHL or any other courier company, you need to have this scale. You need to have this scale so that you're not. And then this one, I think I remember this one says that it can take up to 250 kilos, right? It can take up to 250 kilos. You need this scale, because if you don't have this scale, you're going to be eyeballing weight of product, and when you do that, you eventually lose money. Because if it gets to DHL or whichever company you're using and they measure it and they get accurate measurement, they will charge you for it, and the customer may have paid you less, and they won't want to even hear that, oh, there's an extra to be paid. Who wants to pay any extra? Do you even want to part with money? So you may want to consider buying this if you do any form of international shipment, or you are planning to do that in your business. So guys, that's basically my story and my unboxing. I hope you found this video useful. I hope it helps you to make a decision whether you want to buy a scale, whether you want to buy any of the things I showed in this video, or if you also have a looming loss coming, so you can quickly nip it in the bud. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I put up a new video, you will be the first to know. And I am at Gregory-Jonah on all social media platforms. Hit the follow button and let's connect. I'm actually a lot nicer on Instagram. Until next time guys, thank you for watching. Bye everyone.